tayong ipon. Good morning ng Miyerkules. Tulog pa yung mga kasama ko. Dito ako sa receiving area kasi kung doon ako sa kitchen maririnig ako. Madaling magising yung 7 years old. Mag-uusisa ng mag-uusisa. Kahapon tuwang-tuwa yung teenager ko, alaga kasi wala si boss. Mas magkasundo kami ng alaga ko kapag wala si boss, kasi yun sisigaw. Dapat siya nito ang magpapakain. Exam niya nga next week, so sabi niya nito concentrate siya mag-aral, pero hindi naman, naglalaro siya. So pakainin natin. Grabe, no? Pasko na. Hindi siya madali kumuha. Hello. Yay! Malaki na siya. Yung alaga ko ma-appreciate yun. Halimbawa, ginawan mo siya ng assignment kasi kung naglalaro siya, pag uwi nun may dala-dala, may pasalubong. So kahapon, alam niya napapakainin ko kasi umaga umalis si boss. Umaga siya umalis, so alam niya ako ang mag-aalaga. Pag uwi niya, nag-save siya ng baon niya. Dumaan siya sa Bukala, sa store. Binihan niya ako ng pasalubong. Kaya nandito ang mga tao kapag gusto ka nila, kasi nabigay sila ng regalo. Nabigay sila lalo na kung pagkain. Dito, sabi niya pag alis niya ng 6 o 5:30, sobrang gutom na daw. Hindi naman. Ayaw niya pa nang kumain. So, Wow. Ayan, kita mo na kumakain siya kasi. Ayan, sinidip niya. Pero dapat dahan-dahan lang. Makikita mo siya kapag busog na. Actually, madali lang sa akin to. Magbantay sa akin kasi yung asawa ko. Dati mahilig siya sa mga lovebirds. Meron kami. Pero hindi ako nag-feed ng ganito. Tinuruan ako ni boss kung paano. Kasi since marami na kami alaga. So makikita mo kung busog na siya dito. O hindi pa siya busog, konti pa lang. Ay. Hey. Are you? Why so early? Why so early? You don't want to sleep more? You know I come here because I don't want you to hear me. Because I don't want you to wake up because it's so early. What you want? Go to Hamam, sweetheart. Go to Hamam, baby. No, I just told me, say, please give food to the bird, my baby, because he is hungry. But hey, it's not hungry. Chauffeur. Oh, there is.
Jo, Lexus in the
La,
YouTube.
la, 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 la.
In the YouTube.
La. Why you always ask? Don't go near in the camera. It's not.
Hinse.
Huh?
Hinse.
Don't come out the camera. It's not good for you. Don't come in the camera. Only me and the birdie.
What's birthday?
This one is bird. If baby, it's called birdie.
Me, I will get for me bird.
Want also?
Like
We have
it's
so
not,
many birds outside.
It's not like
Shwai, shwai. Sarah's still. You know, if you want bird, there are so many bird outside. I feed today. You want bird, but you don't know how to. Like Azus don't know how. He is scared. He's scared. Shufe, look if there is food. Yeah.
There's some more.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, it's big now. La. Azus told me not to give you. Just touch.
Cute.
Yeah. You know, it's this one of Shufe. The bird hold me very tight. Look. Yalla Habibi, go to bathroom.
He didn't remove.
Yalla, go to bathroom. And if you want my phone, I will give you my phone. Shwai shwai and close the door, okay? Very good. This is how you give food to the birdie, to the bird, to the little bird. It's very nice. Okay, okay. Look. him again later at 12. Okay. Bye bye. That's for all today. Bye bye, folks. Happy Wednesday. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Bye. I miss your family. I miss you all. God bless.